Kick them, kick your feet. Oh! You can do it. Good job. Stella, leave her alone. Stella wants to play with a play set too. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Oh! Kick your feet. Make the music. What is all that? What is all that, huh? All right. Can you see yourself in the mirror? Oh, there's a baby. Yeah. All right. Oh, we're having so much fun, Gigi. Say thank you, Gigi.